Hello everybody, my name is Shravani and my project title is Size Estimator and Dress Decoder. So as you all know, our dress size varies with different brands and different stores. So when we go to a store, we are not sure of what dress size to search for. So I just got this idea, why don't we fix a body scanner in the mall which could actually scan the size with the help of the sensors, and it gives you the exact dress size in the particular brands. So the key points are the dilemma of the dresses ends here. So this it mainly uses a scanning device and a software, and this it helps you to quickly select your dress. And the ideas of this project is that the scanning technology it uses active sensors which emits the radio waves, and then it measures the body dimensions, and it gives you the dress size. And also the machine it has this interactive and voice response software and custom LCD display. So when you get your dress size, you just insert the card into the machine, and then you have this display wherein you have all the brands, and then if you go for guess, okay, you hit guess, and then you have all the apparels displayed, and then you have if you go hit dress, and then it displays all the suitable dresses for your body size. And then also it has this option called virtual try on. When you hit that, actually it shows you how fabulous that dress looks on you, and so that way you can select it. And also it has this cool option called accessorize. So when you go for that option, it actually gives you all the accessories which are suitable for that particular dress. And at the end, it doesn't leave you helpless, because if you don't know what to select, or if you have some problem with the machine, you also have this option where you can talk to the salesperson, and he's gonna fix your problem. So my target customers would be women, because they are more shopaholics, and so they love shopping. So I think my target customers would be first women, and also expecting mothers. I would like to create this separate database for the expecting mothers, which they don't have patience, and they're not so energetic to go stand in a trial room and endlessly and so this database it will be very useful for the expecting mothers, and also physically challenged people, people who are like having these who are disabled, or they just can't go and try. So they can just go to this body scanner, and then it just scans and gives you the size, and then you go to the machine, and then you select it quickly, and then grab your dress and go. So the advantages are that basically it saves time. There's no need for you to spend a lot of time looking for the entire store, and because when you hit that particular dress, there's this database, a garment database, which actually says you where this particular dress is located in the store. So that saves a lot of time, and it helps to keep your wardrobe in shape. It keeps you from buying all unwanted and unsuitable dresses, and it is a blessing to the men who wait endlessly outside the trial room holding women's handbag. And also, moreover, it makes you more comfortable.